days ago.
Wow.
I assembled this tractor in 2 days and have it here at the show. I picked it up. I picked the transmission up from Jeff Suits from Ogden, Illinois, Tuesday, and I had this tractor ready to come to this show Thursday at noon.
Yeah.
And we got here at 4:45 Thursday afternoon.
Yeah, I don't think it was here when we got here about lunchtime, I guess. But...
No, sir. So, transmission's been gone through. It's got sleeves and pistons and rod bearings. The head's been gone through. New injection pump and injectors. It's got oil leaks.
Yeah.
But I didn't get a chance to get to them. I just wanted to get it to the show.
Yeah. That's is it, so it's been hidden away, or like in the barn for?
It's been in a barn for 30 years. I'm happy to have it. It was nice. My uncle told me to come get my inheritance out of his shed. Come put it together and get it out.
So then, plans on restoring it?
I am not going to restore it.
Leave it like it is.
I'm gonna fix the oil leaks, and it's going to look just like that.
Yeah.
I'll get the wiring harness. I've already looked at buying a harness because it's pretty rotted.
Yeah.
And I'm going to put a harness on it, get everything working, but it's going to stay just like that.
That's good. Good.
Unless somebody offers me an absorbent amount of money.
That's what I tell my wife all the time. The 2 or 3 there, you know, they're family pride. They're not leaving. But I said, you know, right amount of money, they can all go if somebody wants them bad enough.
Well, I knew he had this, but I didn't know what he was going to do with it. But he's got a lot of rare tractors. He's brought 3 others that are sitting right across the runway from us.
Yeah.
But he's got 100 tractors under 100 serial number, and I think he's got like 30 or 40 tractors that are under 10. That 240 is not even in the number book. They started with 805, and it's got 804. But I took the transmission to Jeff because I wanted it 100%. And he did a very good job. And then Jason Kirby gave me the 10 weights that are on the front. He said it wouldn't look right without weights, so he donated me 10 weights for the front. I didn't get back started to it till late in the afternoon.
Oh wow!
So I was there earlier, but I started. I did get International to get me batteries. So this was Thursday morning at 10 o'clock.
Okay.
I had to fix some fuel leaks on it because the rubber O-rings was leaking on the return.
Yeah.
And then this was loading it up at 12:48. We loaded at 12:48, and then I was here at 4:25.
Finally got in. Yeah, well, I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And that's good that it's preserved and saved and not parted out or laying in some junkyard or something.
Right.
And at least it was together enough, good enough that you could put it back together. And
yes, sir. Yeah.